Guys, welcome back to another video. This is what I wanted to show you. I can't show Lefty because he's a work in progress. So basically this video was just saying I'm moving to Florida, and yeah, so here's, and I wanted to do this one because I love Tattletale. In 2017, I loved the game. I was watching all kinds of YouTubers play it, like Dan, TDM, and stuff like that. I was a little kid, so I was like 10 or something, and I just wanted to show you guys these. So I made my own custom. So this is Frosttail, as you can see, and Firetail, as you can see. It's like I'm like, wait, so Freddy Frostbear and a Tattletale. But there was no Firetail or something like that, or Freddy Firebear. So I just took the Firebear and I took this. Scott, this, had a thing. Wait, I don't know how you pronounce it, but, oh yeah, I took inspiration from the Freddy Frostbear, from that, and yeah. So guys, this is just one I wanted to show you, and I'll see you guys later.